Hello, my name is NAICHAO WANG. My teammate is Zhenbo Qiao. The name of our project is a prototype of a smart home using Bluetooth. My work is solving the part of MCU, including the connection of hardware and the programming of software. This is the outline of our project. We have 5 parts: hardware of MCU, software of MCU, Android Bluetooth communication app, future goals and conclusion. What we want to do, the idea of building a smart home is considered that this is a trend in the future. We can control the light and the door and other devices when we are in bed or somewhere. So in our project, we would like to control our home devices using Bluetooth in our phone or tablet. This is a prototype, so we can also change the communication method or controller chip in when we need it. This part is the hardware of MCU. We have several modules in our system, including AT89C51 and the programming board, Bluetooth module, relay module, and motor. The AT89C51 is a brain of this system. It's a low-power, high-performance CMOS 8-bit macro computer with 4K bytes of flash programmable and erasable read-only memory. We connect P14 to 1N1 of relay, P31 to RxD, and P30 to TXD of Bluetooth module, so that we can send data and receive data. In this case, we can receive data from Bluetooth module and control relay module to open or close, so that we can turn on the motor or turn it off. In order to save money, we just bought a motor and abandoned LCD display. Maybe you could see that we cannot diagnose our program. However, I have a communication diagnosis software to diagnose it. The second module is Bluetooth module. It's just like our ear and mouth, so that we can receive data from other devices and collect data from AT89C51 and then send data to other devices. But we should comply with a standard protocol. In our project, we use a HTC Android phone. This module uses add command to define the variables in programming. Fortunately, I have used SIM300 module, which also apply add command in my last project, so I know how to use the add command. They're similar. In HC06, we just need to send add without the new line characters. If we use HC05, we should add the new line characters. Next module is a relay. Just like a switch, we use key 1 to connect the motor. It has 3 output ports. The first one close to SONGLE connect the motor, and the middle port connect the VCC line, and the last one connect nothing. In the picture, we add a line in the last port to try to connect another device, so that we can use one relay and control 2 devices. However, one of these 2 devices always have to work. It's not a concept of smart home, because if we do this, we will consume electricity all the time. This part is software of MCU. I use Q programmer to program it. First, I define the connection of each port. I have talked the connection of each module in previous parts. The program includes main function and the Bluetooth part and the relay part and so on. I program them in C programming language using Qiao programmer. In Bluetooth part, I use add command to define variables first. Add command is an instruction set of communication module, and then we generate the HEX file to burn to the chip. We should ensure that the controller have the ability to identify the command and to do the correct operation to decide whether to run the model or not.
Okay, my name is Zhenbo Qiao. I'm another member of this team. Next, I will introduce Android app design. In this project, I use Android Studio to use the Java language to program the app to let us can use the phone to connect with the Bluetooth module. Firstly, we should open the Bluetooth and set the visible time for the Bluetooth, such as 30 seconds. And then we should search all the available Bluetooth receivers near us, and then get a Bluetooth list. Next, we will select the desired receiver, which in this project is HC06, the Bluetooth receiver, and get its address and try to connect it based on the address. What's more, before the matching between the phone and the Bluetooth receiver, we need the UUID, which is the Universal Unique Identifier, to identify the Bluetooth module. And then we will create the Bluetooth socket to start the communication. At last, we can do the data communication to send the command to the Bluetooth module. And here I show the sequence chart of this software. First of all, we send a message from the Bluetooth chart to the Bluetooth chart service, and then we will write the message to the buffer and send it to the connected thread. When it receives this message, and it will send back a message that okay, the message is received to the Bluetooth charts. And after this, this whole process above will run literally to make sure that there is no message is missed during the whole software runtime. And then it will do the scan of the Bluetooth device list when the internet is running, and then it will get all of the Bluetooth device, and then we will choose the desired one to connect, to create the new thread and create the new socket to make sure that the further connection and the data communication will be okay. At last, we also can ensure the device will be visible all the time, not just the 30 seconds. Here is the software of this project in the Android system. The first picture shows that we are connecting the phone with the Bluetooth module. And the second picture shows that we have connect. We have a good connection, and we can send the message from the app in the Android system to the Bluetooth module. Next part is the further goals. In this project, we only control one load, which is the motor. And in the future, we are supposed to control more devices, such as light, fan, TV, and LED lighting sets, door security system. And all of these will form a new system that we'll call the smart home, which will popular in the future. And then in other hand, we are supposed to change the communication method, not just the Bluetooth. Maybe we can use we can apply the GSM module, the same 300 or other GSM modules to this MCU. Then we can control the light, the LED lighting sets, and this is a trend. To conclusion, in this project there are two main parts: the hardware and the software. In the hardware part, we use AT89C51 chip to control other modules, such as the Bluetooth modules or the motor, so that we can realize our goals to do the control and to do the communication. We also know how to use AT command when we use the communication module to programming the code to control the chip. In the software part, we make an Android app. During this time, we learn the operating theory of the Bluetooth, and we find so many similar Android codes to analyze and learn from them while I do the coding, and it really helped. Okay, thank you.